Usually if you say greenhouse environment control, people think of expensive control installations or complicated network connections, but you wouldn't need these fancy systems if you only have a small hobby greenhouse like me. So in this video, I will show you how to install a simple and cheap thermostat that could be easily installed in a small greenhouse. This will let you automatically maintain a certain temperature in cold weathers. So these are the things you need to prepare. Pause the video if you need to. You would be able to search these kind of thermostats online. This one here is not so accurate, but you can purchase it for a really cheap price. You can use a normal heater that has a plug. However, it needs to have a mechanical switch, which means it should be able to be turned on and off as the power is supplied or not. And you need gloves because we will be working with wires and it's important that you have these on. So this is a diagram of what we'll be making today. What you can see is a simple plug connected to a socket. We will be inserting the thermostat there and the heater will be connected to the socket. Think as if you're disconnecting one of the wires and inserting the thermostat there. Make sure the plug is not connected to any power source while you do this, and don't forget to wear gloves when you're working with wires. We will now connect the thermostat. So there are 3 terminals on the thermostat. In this model, you'll see that you need to connect the first and the third terminal to the wire that we disconnected. So the wires going in and out of the thermostat will have the same color. Now we'll connect the socket. You can see that the wire colors are different in this case. If you just plug the heater in and everything is set. So here how it works. For example, let's say you have the temperature to 10 degrees Celsius. When the temperature drops below 10 degrees, the switch inside the thermostat will turn on, letting the heater to start working. And when the temperature rises above 10 degrees, the switch will turn off and so the heater will automatically turn off. In the summer seasons, if you want to connect a ventilation fan instead of a heater, you need to move the wire at the third terminal to the second terminal so that it can work the opposite way. In other words, you will need the fan to be turned on when the current temperature is higher than the set temperature. So now we'll plug this in for testing. Can you see how the heater turns on when I increase the set temperature? After the test, I put the thermostat and heater in a small greenhouse called Garden House, which is a product made by a company called BK Greenhouses. I just used cable ties to put them up, and I placed the heater at a suitable position. If this video helped you, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching.